Hello everyone, welcome to epicartdesigns.com. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and you like this video. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize this lovely template using Canva and of course Squarespace. You're either here because you bought a template from us and you have questions on customizing it and we sent you to this video, or you just want to know how to make a website using Squarespace. So we're going to cover that in this video, so let's get started. So this template has 6 pages. We got the home, shop, about, contact, and privacy policy and FAQ page. Those two will be at the bottom in the footer. So the first thing I'm going to go over, guys, is navigating your dashboard. It's very important to know where everything is on your dashboard. So I'm going to show you this for the first step. So here you have your website, you have the commerce, the marketing, scheduling, asset library, and more. So this is the website area. This is basically your menu navigation, the main menu at that. So here you can add pages, you can rearrange your menu. So if you had a question on can you add pages to one of our templates, you definitely can. This is how you do it. You can go ahead and select that plus icon and kind of select the page layout that you would like. It's very easy. You can rearrange your pages as well. And at the bottom, I have the FAQs and privacy policies here. So I don't have that on the menu, but that's just at the footer. So that's where I put anything that has the footer. And you can even add terms and conditions, or like your if you were to provide a service and you had terms and conditions, then that's where you would put that as well, and you will link it to like the footer. So yeah, this is the navigation. So now we're just going to go back to our dashboard and we're going to go to commerce. Commerce is probably the very self-explanatory here. This is where you add your products, you see your order, your customers, you add coupons and discounts, project management if you were doing projects or providing a service, and much more. So this is where all that's at. I'm not going to get too in depth on that. So now I'm going to go into marketing, and marketing is basically your emails, where you do your promotional pop-ups or your announcement bars. All that good stuff is in there. You will need to connect marketing to like your third-party email campaign so they can list all your subscribers and all that good stuff. So just make sure you got all that set up and you are upgraded to use this. So the next thing you have is scheduling, and scheduling is if you like had provided a service and you needed like appointments or you wanted your clients to book, you would use this. Squarespace of course uses Acuity to do their bookings and everything, but I'm not going to mess with this just yet. So now we're at the asset library, and this has basically like all your design elements. It has the banners, the product images that you uploaded, and it will have the ones that I uploaded for the banners. If you purchase this from us, you will receive Canva templates to these banners so that you can edit them yourself. They include these. So now we have analytics. This is basically if you want to check the stats of your website, how many people are visiting, all that good stuff. From here down, we probably won't be using this to design. I'm just showing you guys where you can navigate everything. Profiles, the same thing. Settings, if you need to change permissions, that's where you would go. Also, if you want to know how to transfer your permissions or change your permissions, I'll show you that as well. That's the way to go. And of course, help if you needed help. So let's go ahead into customizing your header. So say you don't like this blur that's there, or you want it to be solid. We're gonna go ahead and change that. So you just want to make sure you are in your like back end of your website where you're editing. You want to make sure you hit that, and then we're just gonna edit this banner here, and we're gonna go to style, and we're gonna just change the style to like you can either go solid, theme, or dynamic, and then just go ahead and change the colors to your liking. So in this area, you can also change your site name, or you can add your logo there. Either one is up to you. I'm just going to change the site name to your brand, since this is an example. As you see, also I am changing the color of that bar. I will show you how to change your color palettes as well. But so this is how you change your site name, and you can add your logo below there as well too. course, if you wanted to change your text, you just select the text and change it. So we're going to talk about customizing our banners. If you buy templates from us, especially websites, it always comes with links and canvas to all your assets and your design banners. So this is what I'm doing now. This is what you'll see. So these are the banners that are used for this. It has the design patterns, the trees, basically everything that you see on here is on the website. So just say you wanted to change these banners or edit something really quickly on Canva and re-upload. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just select the banner and you go to background, and there you will see it's going to have the option to replace or edit your banner. You just select replace and upload your new banner there. It's that easy really to do. Movement on your banners or photos, I know Squarespace especially allows you to have that type of movement. So within the same edit section, you will see where you can have an image effect of different warps you can do. So you can choose from those. They're really cool. I highly recommend having them. Yeah, this template also includes some movement effects. You can always change them. So the next step we're going to do is customizing our colors. If you needed to customize the color of the banner, you have to go back to Canva to do this and just do the previous step to re-upload it, and it'll be fine. But if you wanted to change the color that's on top of the banners, you just select the text and just select the color icon and change those colors. But to change the whole color palette of the whole website, you will go to the paintbrush icon that's at the top right, and there you will see like your fonts, your colors, animations, spacing, button layouts, and all that. So that's really how you just change that. So everything else is pretty much easy. If you wanted to change the text or even like duplicate this effect, you would just hit the duplicate icon that's at the top. If you wanted to change what the text says, you just select it and change it. It's very easy, self-explanatory. Even the banners are changeable if you wanted to go back to Canva and re-upload them. If you wanted to change this like warp effect, you're able to do so. You're able to take it off by just hitting edit. So below here, this is the footer. This is where you need to upload your privacy policy and your FAQs, or even your terms and conditions. So you will just select that, and it'll show you where your privacy policy and your FAQ page is. It's that easy to do. And that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and you like this video. If you're interested in getting this website template, visit the link in the description.